Hello friends, how are you today? Today we are going to be making a craft. Remember this week we was talking about on a nature trail. So what I did, I went outside in my yard and I found different things that was outside. I found a leaf, a couple of leaves. I found a yellow one. I found me two little twigs and a pretty little flower. So what we're going to make today, and you can make anything that you like. What Miss Green wants to make today is a leaf pressing. So you will need some glue and maybe 2 color or crowns of your choice. Okay, so what I did was, I'm gonna put some glue on my paper, and you can get any color that you like. And I glued on my little leaf. I took these two, and guess what? I'm gonna make eyes out of these. So I'm gonna glue that on my green leaf. There. Then I took a petal for my little flower, and I'm gonna make a tone with that. So we're gonna put that down here. Okay, my 2 sticks, I'm gonna make antennas with. So I'm gonna put that there. There we go. And then I decided with this leaf, I might make a little tree with it on the side. And I took another little twig, oops, and I put it there to make me a little tree. Over here, the rest of my flower, I put it on this side to make a pretty little flower. There we go. And with my crown, I made some green grass. And with my blue crown, I colored the sky. Made me some pretty clouds. And there you have it. My leaf man. Thank you. Have fun making it and have a great day.